my life disappears. So I live among ghosts, trying to reappear, to come back, but I'm scared of the fears of a monster in the mirror. But I listen like an ear from advice from my peers. Do anybody care that I stare from the rear? Or my enemies creeping, never sleeping, straight fears of death, I ain't ready to step. The God for the shit I'm on, for the sins I'm on. If I die, I'm gone. Trips to hell, my soul dwells, swells from the flames and no shells. Feeling like a snail stuck in the shell. I yell for help, nobody hears the cries and the screams. I hate to dream cause I die in my dreams. Wake up and I cry and I scream. Am I living? Hell on earth, my life feel like I'm stuck up in prison. Stuck nowhere to go, cry like a bitch, I can't dare to go. I can't hear to know that that's creeping. Popping on a corner, taking over soldiers, hopping out the whip with a burner. Popping, shots rattling, the block battling. Is my life at an end, or will it all begin to the way it was? Or will I die, murdered, sprayed with slugs, then I reappear after death in the haunting?